Ethereum value equivalent to 70,563 rands a coin. The present cost range, 70.22, 24, 70, 40, 92. The earlier day close, 70.2701. The change was plus 862, plus 119%. Backwards rate, ZAR to ETH. Ethereum cost expectation for July 2024. Before all else costed 132 at 16 rands. Excessive cost 151.2 at 30, while low cost 132 at 16. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 138.2 at 50. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 141.336, change for July 85%. Ethereum figure for August 2024. Initially costed 141.336 rands. Excessive cost 170.728, while low cost 140.336. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 154.207. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 160.428, change for August 14.2%. Ethereum cost expectation for September 2024. Initially costed 161.428 rands. Excessive cost 184.938, while low cost 160,740. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 169.986. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 170.20-39, change for September 7.1%. Ethereum conjecture for October 2024. At the outset costed 170.28 rands. Excessive cost 188.28, while low cost 163.514. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 175.76. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 175.21, change for October 1.7%. Ethereum cost expectation for November 2024. At the outset costed 175.21 rands. Exorbitant cost 176.731, while low cost 153.607. The found the middle value of cost 167.32. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 165.169, change for November 6.1%. Ethereum gauge for December 2024. In the first place cost at 165.169 rands. Exorbitant cost 165.169, while low cost 140.75. The found the middle value of cost 155.258. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 150.618, change for December 8.8%. Ethereum cost expectation for January 2025. In the first place cost at 150.618 rands. Exorbitant cost 158.231, while low cost 130.7527. The found the middle value of cost 148.564. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 140.7879, change for January 1.8%. Ethereum estimate for February 2025. To start with cost at 140.7879 rands. Exorbitant cost 179.69, while low cost 140.7879. The found the middle value of cost 156.628. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 159.784, change for February 8.1%. Ethereum cost expectation for Walk 2025. In the first place cost at 159.784 rands. Exorbitant cost 180.465, while low cost 156.853. The found the middle value of cost 166.440. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 168.659, change for spring 5.6%. Ethereum gauge for April 2025. Before all else cost at 168.659 rands. Excessive cost 199.67, while low cost 168.659. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 180.607. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 186.44, change for April 10.3%. Ethereum cost expectation for May 2025. At the outset cost at 186,044 rands. Excessive cost 212.92, while low cost 180.342. The found the middle value of cost 195.74. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 190.82 at 17, change for May 6.5%. Ethereum estimate for June 2025. To start with, cost at 198.82 at 17 rands. Excessive cost 240.6027, while low cost 198.82 at 17. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 218.98. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 229.932, change for June 16%. Ethereum cost expectation for July 2025. Initially cost at 229.932 rands. Excessive cost 229.932, while low cost 195.559. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 216.425. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 210.2 at 78, change for July 85%. Ethereum figure for August 2025. Initially cost at 210.2 at 78 rands. Excessive cost 228.597, while low cost 198.687. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 212.801. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 213.642, change for August 16%. Ethereum cost expectation for September 2025. At the outset cost at 213.642 rands. Excessive cost 265.73, while low cost 213.642. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 235.71. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 247.825, change for September 16%. Ethereum figure for October 2025. Before all else cost at 247.825 rands. Excessive cost 240.78 while low cost 209.133. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 230.24 Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 224.874, change for October 93%. Ethereum cost expectation for November 2025. Before all else cost at 220.48 rands. Excessive cost 229.468, while low cost 199.444. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 217.61. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 214.456, change for November 6%. Ethereum gauge for December 2025. In the first place cost at 214.456 rands. Exorbitant cost 266.183, while low cost 214.456. They found the middle value of cost 235.966. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 248,769, change for December 16%. Ethereum cost expectation for January 2026. In the first place cost at 248,769 rands. Exorbitant cost 270.41, while low cost 235,057. They found the middle value of cost 251.754.